Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Norainiwa from Timazwan. Today, I will be presenting on my topic for course code TPT251. The title is Commercial Road Transportation, Characteristics, Stakeholder, Issues and Challenges. Let us begin with the introduction. Broadly speaking, transportation is the movement of people, goods and information from location to another, supporting both economic and social activities. When we focus on commercial road transportation, it specifically involves moving goods and passengers using commercial vehicles like trucks, lorries, buses, and vans for business purposes. It is highly preferred due to its flexibility, accessibility, and door-to-door capabilities. Here, in Malaysia, it plays a vital role in our logistic and supply chain, heavily backed by major highways like the North-South Expressway Plus, East Coast Expressway (LPT), and the Pan-Borneo Highway. Now, we moving on to the core characteristic of road transport. The first one is accessibility and connectivity. It is widely recognized as the most accessible mode. Usually, goods and passengers travel by road first before reaching the major hubs like railway station, ports, or airport. It also connects remote areas to main economic centers. Now, for the second one is flexibility and efficiency. Road transport utilizes a wide variety of vehicles, which give it a huge advantage in route and schedule flexibility over rail or water transport. This makes it perfect for last-mile delivery services. For the third one, we have lower capital investment. Developing and maintaining road infrastructure and vehicle is generally less expensive than port, railway, or airport. However, as an industry note to its challenges, it does carry a higher risk of accident and is highly vulnerable to traffic congestion. Now, let's look deeper into the specific advantages. The first one is accessibility. The network can reach urban, suburban, and rural areas that helping businesses serve wider market. The second one, flexibility. Vehicle can easily change route and schedule based on customer demand. The third one, door-to-door service. This is major benefit. Goods go directly from origin to the destination without multiple transfer, which minimizes damage risk and handling costs. Fourth, cost effectiveness. It is highly practical and cost-effective for short to medium distance delivery. And the last one is fast transit time. It ensures quick regional deliveries, helping businesses maintain efficient operation. So, on the flip side, we must acknowledge the disadvantages. First, high accident rate. Compared to rail, air, or sea, road transportation has a higher accident rate, leading to financial losses and cargo damage. Number 2, limited load capacity. Trucks carry significantly smaller volume than ships or trains, making it less ideal for long distance and large-scale freight. The third, traffic congestion and road restriction. It is deeply affected by traffic peak hours, especially in urban or industrial zones, which disrupt schedule. Fourth, dependence on road condition and weather. Bad weather, road works, and poor road condition can easily delay delivery and lower service reliability. Next, let's discuss the infrastructure and network layout. For major infrastructure, refer to the physical and operational facilities like highway, toll roads, bridge, and traffic management system like Intelligent Transportation System (ITS) that keep freight moving safely and reduce congestion. For the road network in Malaysia is an interconnected web of expressways, federal roads, and state roads connecting major cities and logistic hubs like Port Klang. It follows a strict road hierarchy to support different levels of freight movement. and with the North-South Expressway and Federal Highway being vital lifelines. To keep this sector safe and efficient, several key legislation and national policy are in place. The Road Transport Act 1987, Act 333, regulates vehicle registration and driver licensing. The Land Public Transport Act 2010 manage public transport operation, while the Mirrors Act 2012 focus on road safety research. So, at a national level, the National Transport Policy 2019 to 2030 and the Malaysia Road Safety Plan aim to boost logistic efficiency and cut road fatalities by 50% by 2030. For sustainability, blueprints like the Low Carbon Mobility Blueprint and NETR are guiding the sector toward lowering carbon emissions. To summarize the core issue and challenges currently faced by logistic operation, the first one is traffic congestion, delays delivery and drive up fuel consumption. Second one is rising fuel costs. Fuel is the one of the largest operating expenses, so price hike heavily inflate total transport costs. The third one is a poor road condition. Neglected infrastructure slows down movement and causes severe vehicle wear and tear. And for the last one is road safety and accident. Speeding or driver fatigue directly leads to a cargo damage and supply chain disruption. So, who are the key stakeholders involved in this ecosystem? So, for the government agency, we have MOT, GPG, APAD, and MIROS, who handle policy and making safety enforcement. Logistic and freight operator, there is a trucking companies, warehouse operator, and delivery services responsible for moving goods on time. So, for the businesses and customer, the parties depending on this transport to move raw material and finished goods. And environmental organization, there is a group pushing for sustainable practices and lower vehicle emission. So, and local communities, the public who are directly affected by traffic, noise pollution, and road safety near these freight roads. To put everything into perspective, let's look at my case study, Port Klang. Port Klang is a Malaysian main maritime gateway and ranked among the top 10 busiest container ports globally. Because of its immense international trade volume, it is heavily dependent on commercial road transport, which puts massive strain on the local network. From the case study, we can observe 4 major challenges here. The first one is traffic congestion. Haulage activity heavily concentrate during a peak hour, causing severe bottleneck and roads surrounding the port. 2. Infrastructure strain and road damage. Continuous heavy container truck movement deteriorates roads like the Pulau Indah Expressway, causing potholes and raising vehicle maintenance costs. The third one, weight limit enforcement. The Port Klang authority strictly enforce gross vehicle weight (GVW) rules to protect infrastructure. While great for safety, its main operators sometimes have to make additional trips, increasing total traffic and costs. And for the last one, the challenges that we have to face is port congestion. Unpredictable vessels arrival cause terminal gate delays, forcing trucks to wait extended periods and disrupting the supply chain. In conclusion, commercial road transportation remains a vital cornerstone of Malaysia's economic growth and supply chain. Its accessibility, flexibility, and door-to-door capabilities are unmatched, while it faces serious roadblocks like congestion, rising operational costs, and infrastructure strain, as clearly demonstrated by Port Klang. Continuous improvement are essential. Better infrastructure development, proactive policy implementation, and Moving towards sustainable transport practices will ensure the long-term reliability of commercial road transportation in Malaysia. So, that is conclude my presentation. Thank you very much.